Okay, children, welcome to our language class. You know what? Today in this class we are going to have a game. Remember that I love playing with you in class. So let's see. Let's start. This game consists of guessing which is the word that I am going to mention. Okay? So the first one is, what do you have to do? Amores, primero que todo tienen que alistar el cuaderno azul en la parte de language, donde están las rayitas así. ¿Listo? Yo les voy a dar el tiempo para organizar su cuaderno. Traigan el cuaderno azul. Ahora que ya lo tienen, en la última hojita donde ustedes habían terminado de trabajar, acuérdense que nosotros no dejamos hojas en blanco, sino que vamos trabajando de manera continua. Van a coger una de esas hojitas y la van a doblar por la mitad, como doblábamos nosotros. ¿Listos? Muy bien. Ahora, en esa hojita, yo les voy a decir una adivinanza. Y en una partecita, al lado izquierdo, ustedes van a escribir la palabra que ustedes creen que es. Y después, al lado derecho, van a escribir lo que yo les estoy preguntando y lo que aparece en la presentación. Bueno, vamos a ver si ustedes me entendieron. Primero, abren el cuaderno azul en la parte de language. En la última hoja van a coger la hojita y la doblan por la mitad. Y les queda la página dividida en dos. Muy bien. Al lado izquierdo van a escribir lo que ustedes creen que yo les estoy preguntando. Y después, al lado derecho, van a escribir lo que yo les muestro en la diapositiva. Vamos a hacer el primer intento. ¿Listos? Este es un juego de adivinanzas. ¿Ok? Guess the word. Number one. The word corresponds to a number. This has 5 letters. 5 letters. It's a number. And it begins with the sound th, th, th. Okay? Let's see if you guess. ¡Wow! ¿Quiénes adivinaron? Muy bien, raise your hand if you guess that the word was number 3. Miren, amores, tienen 5 letras, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pero aunque tiene 5 letras, solo tiene 3 sonidos. The, I. 5 letras, pero solo tiene 3 sonidos. It's a number and it starts with the sound th. Bien, vamos con la segunda. The second one is it is a small metal okay, it is a small metal or plastic. It starts with the sound and is used to protect your finger when you are sewing. Okay, thimble, thimble. Okay, the next word. The next word is a person of your family. And this person gives you the birth and is a person who loves you a lot. And it has the sound th in the middle of the word. Let's see. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, very good. Mother. Now, let's continue with the next one. Ouch. The next one is a finger of your hand. Is this finger? How do you call this finger? Very good. Thumb. Very good. Thumb. Thumb. Okay. Now, the next one is an animal that has the th sound at the end. And this animal usually flies. Okay, very good. Moth. Very good. Now, here we have another one. Here. This one, oh, sorry, I put it. This one has 7 letters. The first letter is th sound, and it has a loud sound in the sky, thunder. Okay. Now, the next one. I can see it in your smiles. And it has the sound th at the end. And it is white. It is in your mouth. Okay? Are you ready? Let's see. Okay, very good. The word is tooth. Now, the next one. This word represents a member of your family. It has the TH sound in the middle of the word, and it's a man closely related to you. Who can read here the word? Who can read? Okay, excellent. It's father. Very good. Now, the last one. The last one is an animal. Usually it is black. Is of lion's family, and it also has the th sound in the middle of the word. Who can guess which is the word? Okay, it has 7 letters and the word is panther. Okay, very good. Now, people, that you are ready, we are going to continue working in our notebooks and practicing the oral pronunciation of these th sounds. Okay? Bye. See you.